Unity RV concept debuts with trick rear lounge layout. The inaugural is currently wowing camping and fans in Salt Lake City, Utah, and is there with an RV concept called the Unity Rear Lounge concept. As with many more RV debuts at RVX. RV connoisseurs will likely notice the sizable lounge area at the rear, hence the name for this particular machine. A large sectional, just forward of the living area, is a separate stand-up shower with a large door that can also be used to close off the lounge from the rest of the camper. A separate toilet, in between camping destinations. The Unity Rear Lounge concept utilizes a gamut of driver assist systems and luxury options for front seat occupants. It's also fitted with van life of a different sort. Controlling all the RV's onboard electrical components is a nifty system called Dometic IoT solution. 6 touch screen. The rear lounge concept is the newest RV in the Unity line from leisure travel vans, and despite being labeled a concept, the company has said pre-orders are open now, with deliveries expected to commence in the fall. Source: Leisure Travel Vans.
Raindrops, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.